Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start at the panel, remove 2 visible Phillips screws and use a trim tool to pry the inner door card away. Work from the bottom to release clips. Once the panel is loose, lift it enough to disconnect the inner door release cable and detach any wiring plugs. This avoids snagging later. Make sure the window is lowered or set mid-height so the handle mechanism is reachable. If you're near airbags, disconnect the battery negative to prevent accidental deployment. This gives you clear access to the handle fasteners. With the door card removed, locate the Torx or hex bolts securing the exterior handle, usually 2 or 3. You hold the outside handle steady with one hand so it won't fall when the last bolt releases. Then remove bolts with the correct driver. Next, reach in and identify the door latch linkage and locking rods. Use a pick to disengage the plastic retaining clips by rotating or prying gently. Doing this prevents bending the rods and lets the handle separate cleanly from the latch assembly. Now pull the handle assembly outward while guiding the rods and cables through the door cutout. Feed them carefully to avoid pinching. Inspect the handle, gaskets, and plastic clips. Swap any damaged pieces so seals and fitment return to factory spec. Reattach linkage clips and torque bolts snugly. Once bolted, reconnect electrical plugs and battery negative if removed. Before refitting the panel, operate the latch and lock several times to confirm alignment. If the handle sticks or won't latch,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.